Good evening, parents. I'm going to take a second in this video and show you how to log in and what you can see using the Guardian account. You will notice as you look at the screen that it says Student Information System. This looks exactly like the login for your students. That's because it is. You will use the same website to log in. You will see up here sislogin.edgenuity.com. I'm going to highlight that for a second. You'll notice it's highlighted in blue there. Type in that web address. You should have already by now created a Guardian account. You will use the login and password you set up to log in. I've created a dummy account so I could log in to show you what it looks like. I will log in now. When you log in, this is what's called the student's dashboard. This is what's called the SIS side of things. There are two sides we'll look at. We'll spend this first part looking at the Student Information System side. This is their dashboard. We'll talk first about this academic snapshot. This academic snapshot will show you all courses your students are enrolled in. You will notice they're all listed here and hyperlinked in blue. Next to each course, you will see the grade. The grade consists of two things. It consists of all work that has been graded and returned, and it does also include all assignments that are considered past due. In this particular grade, they have been calculated in as zeros. So this 1.2%, they have taken all the assignments that have been graded and have added in all assignments that are past due and calculated them at this point as zeros. They have calculated in the percentage complete. They have taken all assignments and have calculated how much of the coursework that I have completed. So this 0.89% means that I have completed 0.89% of the overall coursework. And it says that I am behind. What that means is they have calculated how much of the coursework I should have done by this particular day in the semester, and I should have completed more of that. So let's moving on. We will now look over here at these left boxes here. You'll notice that they have the dashboard, student messages. This would be all messages sent to your student from the teacher via the Edgenuity system. Guardian messages. Mentors and or teachers can send messages directly to you. Mentor information. This would be how to contact your information, any information they have put in. Course information. If we go ahead and click on that, you will notice that it brings up a slightly different set of information for each course. Tell you about the description, the length, the credits, the teacher's name, email, and phone number. If we click on this academic snapshot, you notice it gives just a little bit more information about each course. I will give a grade, activity, and use a couple of bars. If we click on student activity, this is where you could go in to verify a student's attendance, where you can see if they're actually logging in or not. You could look based upon week, and if you click on the drop box here, you could look at 2 weeks, a month, 2 days. This will tell you exactly which course they logged in and for how many minutes they were logged into each course. This is one way that we here at the Columbus Digital Academy can verify attendance, and also you can too. If you use a second drop box here, you can actually look at verify between certain days. So if you want to look between December 7th and December 11th, you could put those in and get the data and look, and it will bring it up. If you click on edit account here, you could put in your old password and change it should you want to. Under add guardian, if you would like to have more than one guardian to have access to this account, say mom and dad both would like their separate accounts, or you want a different learning coach to have access, say they have a grandma or a close relative or babysitters helping, this would be a way you would give that guardian access. And then here's the school calendar for any events that may have put in. You notice there are none here. This is a dummy account, so there are none added, but this would be anything put in. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video now, but as we click on anything in the academic snapshot, it will take us to the buzz side of things, and we will discuss that in the next video.